Hey, what's up, friends? Thank you so much for sticking on this channel. On this channel, we discuss about how to start and run small-scale businesses. Of course, in this video, I'm going to discuss with you the 4 most important machines you can buy and start your own small-scale business. And if you watch this video until the very last end, the last machine is going to be one of the cheapest, one of the best, and one of the most demanded machine that makes products on a high demand. Make sure you watch this video until the end and kindly consider subscribing if you are new here. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Did you know that in Uganda, 90% of families consume posho on a daily basis? Well, number one on our list, we have the maize milling machines. These machines come in different sizes, in different capacities, with different production capacities. So we have maize mills that can produce 1 ton, 2 tons, 3 tons, 10 tons per hour. And of course, this will all depend on the capital that you have. These machines, some of them come with a motor and they use electricity, others are diesel operated. If you want to start this business, you need to be so strategic with some good amount of capital. Of course, you need to stock maize for yourself so that it can help you to catch up with the competitors in the market. This maize milling business can be started anywhere as long as you have transport means and delivery means to your customers or retailers of maize flour. So you can acquire this machine and start it anywhere you want because it is flexible. They come in different capacities and they have different means of use. This machine range from 6 million to 15 million Uganda shillings. Of course, if you want to produce number one maize flour, you need 2 machines. You need the maize huller and the maize mill itself. This will help you to produce grade 1 maize flour and it will help you compete in the market favorably. These machines can be acquired by WhatsApping the number that you see on the screen. Maize milling is one of the most profitable ventures you can think about because there is demand in schools and also demand in homes. No one among us can take a week minus taking portion. Machine number 2 is school chalk machine. These machines can do school chalk commercially, and of course, with the increasing demand in Uganda, there is no school that can operate without school chalk. You're all aware about that. And these machines are readily available here in Uganda. So if you want to start commercial school chalk production, you need at estimate 3.5 million Uganda shillings to acquire the IMM gunmetal machine for commercial school chalk production. Most of these people who sell these machines consider to give you training free of charge when you buy the machine. This machine can make for you 250,000 Uganda shillings every day because it can produce 100 boxes every day, and those are 5 cartons that can make even 250,000 Uganda shillings. This is the IMM gunmetal machine, 400 capacity, and there is also the IMM gunmetal machine, 800 capacity, that produces 200 boxes every day. It means it can make for you 500 Uganda shillings every day. Remember, school chalk is one of the most profitable ventures you can think about because schools are increasing, the population is increasing, and the demand is also available. This school chalk business, everything can be got from within, and of course, you can learn this skill in just few hours. You'll be done and you'll start your company. You can own a brand by doing a school chalk and acquiring yourself the machine. The small machine costs 3.5 million Uganda shillings, and that's the 400 capacity, and the 800 capacity costs 4.5 million Uganda shillings. Remember that demand can be direct in schools, and also you can supply stationaries that can help you distribute your school chalk in respective schools. Remember, the government doesn't buy chalk for schools, and every school is independently creating demand to access writing material, and that is a school chalk. Acquire yourself one because packaging is available, both cartons and small boxes, and also machines are available. You can WhatsApp the number you see on the screen if you are interested in anything to know with school chalk production business. Number 3 on the list, we have the G-nuts milling machine. These G-nuts can be done commercially. I see G-nuts being sold in most places, and the origin is all the central region or Kampala. So it means if you can enter into any district and you start commercial G-nuts grinding, when you buy your own G-nuts grinding machine, you can literally make some good amounts of money. Remember, these G-nuts have been now improved to include in fish, some put mushrooms, others make peanut, and you can also brand these G-nuts and sell them in supermarkets and respective shops. Remember, G-nut is demanded everywhere because there are few homes also that can take 2 to 3 days without consuming G-nuts, just like maize flour, just like other cereals like beans. If you buy this grinding machine, of course you can distribute G-nuts everywhere in the country, and I believe that this is also a golden opportunity because if you have capital, you can stock your G-nuts when the prices go low, or you can move into places where G-nuts are sold at a low price, take them to a different location, grind them and sell them when they are already finished products and ready for consumption. Remember, we no longer use traditional means of grinding G-nuts, and today they only use machines. So if you buy your own machine, you can start this business and be fruitful. Number 4 on the list is the soap making machine. Of course, this is a plotter machine and it costs around 7 million Uganda shillings. This is an automatic machine that brings out finished soap when it is already stamped and molded in a size that you want. Of course, if you buy yourself this plotter machine, you can set this company somewhere and employ some people to work for you. Soap is demanded in each and every home, and I know that there is no single home that can spend a day without using soap. So if you acquire yourself this plotter machine, you can definitely start your own company. Everything, including material, packaging, boxes, are available, and you can make research on how best you can market your soap and enter the market. These businesses have opportunity for training. If you start these few businesses that I have talked about today, you can start it also as a training center and give people sales skills to them on how to make soap and start selling materials. You'll find yourself that you have diversified in the business and you make a lot of money. Make sure learn this simple skill when it comes to business. Diversify. Create different streams of earning money within the same business industry. So, soap machine, which is the plotter machine, can help you also start a successful small-scale business. Remember, there are some manual machines that you can buy, and they cost, a kit costs around 1 million Uganda shillings, and it is enough for you to start soap production. And if you want to acquire this plotter machine, also feel free to WhatsApp on the number that you see on the screen so that we can share details on how you can be helped. Well, I have been your friend Michael and taking you through the most important machines you can buy for small-scale businesses. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice time. Bye-bye.